If you're not using Facebook groups to grow your YouTube channel, you're missing out on a big opportunity. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started doing that. I'm Sean with SEO Sorcerer. Thank you for checking out my video. And listen, I get it. It's 2021. We all are tired of Facebook. You know, whether they sold your private information, whether they killed your Facebook page and it gets no engagement, no matter what the reason is, they're all valid and I get it. But there is still use for Facebook at this point, and that's with Facebook groups. If you're still on Facebook, you're probably aware of Facebook groups. There's a Facebook group for everything. No matter what your YouTube channel is about, there's a Facebook group out there that you can promote it in. And in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to get started doing that. So let me tell you about the kind of Facebook groups to avoid. You don't want to get into those Facebook groups where it's like, new YouTubers, come here, subscribe for subscribe, follow for follow, you know, things like that. Because those aren't the kind of people that you want. I know at the beginning, you're not going to be real choosy about who subscribes to your channel, as you just want to get some numbers up. But when you have these people that subscribe to your channel and have no interest in your channel and might not even speak the same language as you, those are useless. They're not going to view your videos. They're just going to scroll past your thumbnails, and it's really just going to hurt your channel in the long run. Now, if you find YouTube subscribers in a Facebook group of people that are interested in the stuff that your channel's about, that's going to help in a big way. Those people are going to watch your videos. They're going to like your videos. They're going to ask questions. They're going to comment on your videos. Those are the exact kind of subscribers YouTube likes, and those will help you with the algorithm and get your videos in front of more people. Now, yeah, you do want to find groups in your niche, but what else? What else do you want to look for when you're looking for the right group? Ideally, you want to find groups with some people in it. You don't want a group with 7 people in it. You want, at least 50 or 100 people, ideally a lot more. And you also want groups that people post in every day. So when you're searching for groups on Facebook, those are 2 things it shows. It shows how many members are in the group, and it shows how many posts per day in the group. With that said, don't get too caught up in trying to find the perfect group. Just find the first 2 or 3 groups that you think will probably be beneficial for you, that are related to your niche, and apply for them. The application process for getting in a group. Sometimes you'll just say, I want in this group, and they'll let you in. Or they might have some questions to ask you. Either way, just jump in 2 or 3 of these groups and wait for your approval. All right, so now you've been approved, you're in a few groups. It's time to get in there and start spamming them YouTube links, right? Wrong. Slow down. You want to make this a long-term asset. If you do that, you're going to be banned before you knew what hit you. I would advise, when you join the Facebook groups, make an introductory post. Don't even put your YouTube channel in it. I know that might drive you crazy. You want to get in there and start dropping links right away, but no, you don't want to do that. Make yourself known as just a regular person, not the guy who spams his YouTube channel. Answer any questions that people have for you. Comment on other posts. Get familiar with who the admins are. Maybe get on their good side a little bit. Throw them a couple likes. Throw them a couple comments. Build yourself up. Build up your reputation. If everyone in the group likes you, they're going to be a lot more likely to click on your links down the road. So when should you drop those links? You're looking for a good opportunity when you have a video that's going to be very useful to the person who asked the question. Obviously, some groups are more sensitive to links than others, but odds are if you're providing value with your link to your YouTube video, that's going to be much more received than just dropping in one every time you get the chance. And maybe the first time you do it, say, I'm not sure if this is against the rules, but here's my YouTube video that I think is very helpful for someone in your situation. Obviously, if this is against the rules, I apologize. Go ahead and take it down. I just thought this would help. You might think maybe you're being a little too soft with that approach, and that's fine. You don't have to follow that approach, but in my opinion, the more considerate you are, the more people are likely to receive your content and go check it out. Now, obviously, the approach I'm describing is just one way to do it. Another way you could do it is just join as many groups as you want, spam your links out there. A few people will watch them. You'll get banned from a lot of groups. People will see you as the guy that spams his link and just skim right past your posts, but you will get some views out of it, and it will take a lot less work. So if that's something you're into, hey, that's fine. I advise against it, but to each his own. All right, so you're ready to start joining groups. If you follow the game plan I outlined, you'll have another great tool in your YouTuber toolbox. But if you want to take your Facebook groups game to the next level, I advise you checking out the video that's going to be popping up right now. And also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my content. I'm Sean with SEO Sorcerer. Thanks for checking out my video.